Hi, welcome everyone to Post Market Update with Jagadish Chandran. Today we will be discussing about what to expect in Nifty and Bank Nifty and important levels to watch out for. Market witnesses a stiff resistance at 19,740, 19,850 levels and Nifty after opening gap down to test levels of 19,512 closed below 19,630 zones, turning into a weak bias and cautious mode. Bank Nifty after a gap down opening, breaking levels of 44,000 levels, tested lows of 43,500 on an intraday basis to close around 43,700. Both the indices into weak bias and need to be cautious in coming sessions. To summarize, Nifty Bank Nifty broke crucial support zones and Nifty's resistance shifts to 19,700, 19,750 and Bank Nifty resistance should be 43,800 and 44,100 zones for now. Any correction would be a great opportunity to focus on stock specific to build your long-term portfolio in a staggered manner for wealth creation to achieve your financial goals. That's all for now. Hope you enjoyed the video and market updates and is useful for your trading decisions and investment decisions. If so, hit the like button and do share it to your friends and relatives who are looking for more market updates and market insights. Do kindly subscribe our channel for more market updates. Thank you, happy investing and safe trading. Take care.